I'm going to share the best lucid dreaming techniques for beginners. 5 tips to get you started. These techniques work for beginners and for people who've been trying to have lucid dreams for a while. Hi, I'm Vickie Trancho. We'll cover some basics of lucid dreaming and some specific ways you can optimize your chances of having a lucid dream the first night you try. In a moment, I'm going to show you 5 tips to get you started on your lucid dreaming adventure. These tips work. I use them myself. By the time you finish, you'll have some great information to get you started and to keep you on the path to success in lucid dreaming. So let's go. What is lucid dreaming? It's knowing you are dreaming while you're dreaming. You're conscious of being in a dream state and you're aware of your actions. This allows you to interact and have some fun while you're dreaming. You can control some of the things that occur in the dream. You can make things happen once you get comfortable with being lucid in your dream. Lucid dreaming has been studied for a while now. Scientific studies here in the West are documented starting about 1974, but I'm sure lucid dreaming has been going on since people started dreaming. Since science has gotten interested, the results are fascinating. To have the best lucid dreaming experience, it's wise to be prepared ahead of time. 1. Dream recall is crucial because the more you remember your dreams, the stronger your dream muscle will be. You will feel more at home in your dreams. 2. The best way to build this dream recall is with dream journaling. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. A pen and paper will do, but it's great to keep a diary or a dream journal, not only to remember your dreams, but to document what dream techniques work for you. This is a very personal journey. What works best for some might not be the best fit for you. 3. The next thing are reality checks. We do these even when we seem to be awake for 2 reasons. First, we get used to doing the reality checks, so it becomes normal for our brain to accept it. Second, once we're in dream reality checks become important to determine whether you're lucid or not. One of the easiest reality checks is to look at your hand. In a dream, your hand might look distorted. In fact, you might have 6 or 7 fingers. You'll also have the ability to put your hand through objects, including your other hand. That way you can verify whether you're dreaming or not. There are many other reality checks you can try. Reading is another one because the words may not make sense or will start to move around on a page as you look at them. If you jump in place, you will be able to float in a dream. But if you're awake, it probably will be just a short hop. 4. Next is setting the intention to remember. Saying it aloud is effective. So is writing it and saying it often. 5. Another important aspect is sleep hygiene. It's important to have a set time you go to sleep. Try not to have use of any electronic devices for about 30 minutes before you go to sleep. A consistent sleep cycle is important. You usually fall into REM sleep between 4 to 6 hours after you fall asleep. The first technique we'll talk about is the Mnemonic Induction of lucid dreams, also known as MILD, developed by Stephen LaBerge. Dream recall is very important with MILD, so keeping a record of your dreams in a dream journal or diary will greatly improve your chance of having lucid dreams. The next step is the reality checks during the day and night. The most important part of this technique is setting the intention to remember the dream. This can be very simple. You make a statement, I'm going to lucid dream tonight, or tonight I will have a lucid dream. You repeat this statement during the day, and while you are falling asleep, you keep repeating it. When you wake up, repeat it again, and then let yourself go back to sleep. You should be able to dream, remember the dream, and with practice, your dream will be a lucid dream. Another fast technique is WBTB, Wake Back to Bed. Using this technique, you set your intention to have a lucid dream. And before going to sleep, you set your alarm to wake you up after 4 hours. That should be during your REM sleep cycle. After you wake, sit up, and for about 10 to 20 minutes, think about a lucid dream you would like to have. Close your eyes and go back to sleep. When you dream, you may become lucid, so remember, stay calm and do your reality checks. This can happen on the first night you try. If it doesn't, don't be disappointed. With practice, you'll find yourself in lucid dreaming very soon. Please let me know in the comments if either of these techniques work for you or if you've had experience with MILD or WBTB. Because we're all unique individuals, one technique will work better for you than for someone else. It can be a lot of fun finding out which one is for you. And if you have requests for a topic, please do let me know. I'd really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. I have more videos about different techniques we can use to achieve lucid dreams, and I hope you enjoy them because I enjoy making them and sharing the experience. I think they're so cool. Sweet dreams.